This petty man sued his one-night stand over a red wine stain, but when she exposed his real motive in court, the judge's verdict left him completely humiliated.
If we get this over with, I shut him up and I use his little body. Maybe after the 2 wine, the 2 glasses of wine, maybe it won't be so bad. So
so now we going out on dates. We're just having sex with people for sport.
Why not? I don't like going to the gym. So yeah, we started making out. But here, Mr. Martinez seems to be so upset that I didn't want to follow up.
So what happens that causes the damage?
After she jumped all over me.
Because you're so sexy.
Things got really intense. Things got really intense to where she dropped the glass of wine all over my Shirley white rug and my couch.
You all are hooking up and she's got wine in her hand?
Only
or
me.
Is the wine on the table? Where is the wine? Do you have a picture of the damage that it left?
I do, Your Honor.
Let me see that, please.
And then you guys
are hooking up, but she's holding the wine while this is happening?
Imagine.
I don't really know whether she was holding it or whether she put it down. I do know that she knocked it over.
No, so
she dropped it or she knocked it over? Was it on the table? Oh, there is no table. The stain of red wine didn't come out on your couch?
It did not, Your Honor.
So when the wine spilled, you just kept on hooking up?
Absolutely. I was in the heat of the moment. So, Your Honor, after a few days, after we hooked up, I said, hey, let me go ahead and give her a call. Let's go out for dinner again. And she said no. A few days later.
You didn't call to ask her about the wine?
No, not yet. But I was leading up to it, Your Honor. I was leading up to it.
Did he text you the day after and say, hey, you spilled wine on my couch?
He tried to play it, but I think that because I turned him down, that now he's mad at it, his butt hurt, and he wants me to pay for something that if it was to be the case that when we were messing around,
his butt hurts.
Yeah. He's mad. His ego got hurt because I don't want to go.
His ego is bruised.
Yes.
No, clearly,
my Lord. When did you get it repaired? How many days after the date when it got spilled?
I would say about 3 days. And then
after you asked her out on another date and she said no.
Right. So
all right, I've heard enough. Mr. Martinez, this is what happened. You did nothing to remedy the problem. Instead, you finished up having a hookup with Ms. Armendariz, still waited more days, didn't tell her anything about it, asked her out again when you got declined, then decided, oh, and by the way, you owe me for my rug and you owe me for my carpet. That is creepy. It's not Ms. Armendariz's fault. Judgment for the defendant. Court is adjourned.